Hello, this is the Next Generation Airline Data Exchange Simulator 1.0. Our team members are Luis Hedersdorf, Isaac Reynaldo, and me, Gonzalo Mera. Our product owners are Dr. Xing Shen, Dr. Miguel Alonso, and Dr. Stephen Lewis. Our instructor is Masu Sajidi. Abstract. To give you a background of the project, in a fast-growing travel industry, the NDC program was launched by ATA for providing the market with a new adoption of an XML-based transmission. This standard has been instrumental for exchanging the communication between airlines and travel agencies due to its open nature and widespread airline support. The Next Generation Airline Data Exchange project was launched by Florida International University to investigate and implement an efficient open-source NDC-centric architecture. As the project was being developed, it evolved from a monolithic architecture to a microservice one, separating each NDC transaction to individual microservices, with one purpose, thus reducing coupling and increasing cohesion. Current system. Currently, there are no open source system that does what this project has set to do. As far as open source NDC applications go, OpenNDC.org has different tools like NDC Syntax Validator and other useful tools which have helped us in the development of the project. But there is no actual open source system that implements a Google Flight-like software that empowers the NDC standard. The system architecture. The system architecture was actually divided into two very important pieces: the online travel agent, or OTA, and the airline. The OTA was divided into two sub-architecture: the flight reservation services, which was focused on user interactivity, and the aggregation service, which would add all the transactions coming from the airlines and cache them as long as the airline permits them. The purpose system architecture for the OTA is a REST pattern, which evolved throughout the implementation of the project from a monolithic architecture to a microservice one to increase the scalability and efficiency. Now the airline reservation services focus in on a specific airline, which provides with the flights for booking and ticketing. The airline had its own database, and it could be duplicated as many times as possible to do stress testing of the OTA. Again and again, this system was also REST pattern. And here are some examples of the UI design. This is what the user will be seeing when they use the system, the project.